Hi, welcome to the channel. I hope everything is well with you today. If you don't know me, my name is Paulo and I usually do videos about Davinci Resolve and some others related to gear around video. And today I'm here to teach you how you can do the famous PIP, picture-in-picture, inside of Davinci Resolve. So let's jump in the computer and see how you can do it. So here we are inside of Davinci Resolve. We are in the edit page. And this is what I want to explain you how to do. So put yourself the famous PIP, picture-in-picture. In this case, is video-in-video. So this is me talking and explaining what I'm doing. And if I play it, you notice that I telling in the video what I'm doing in my computer in the Davinci Resolve. So let's see how you can do this. This is very easy. So you have to have two videos, of course. One is the base video where you are what you are talking about, and the second one is the video of yourself talking and in like I'm doing now, recording myself and explaining how is in my case it's a screen grab with OBS, and the other one is a shot recorded with my Sony ZV-E1. So what you have to do is, first thing is align the clips. In my case, I use auto align, so I select both clips and right click and come here, auto align clips and based on waveform, and it will analyze. And now you can cut here the two clips to let me cut them. So you have this here and you can delete. Now go to the clip of yourself where you are talking to, not the screen grab, and go to the color page. And in the color page, I will add 3 nodes. The last one is the color space transform, the simple color space transform. From in my case is S gamut 3, S log 3 to Rec 709, and I want to use the gamut 2.4. Now go to the first clip. I'm gonna adjust my primers a little bit, so I'm gonna lower here the darks, the lift, go to the gain and lower it a little bit, and I'm gonna increase a little bit of the midtones. If you want to adjust your skin a little bit, you can do it over here with the temperature and the tint. So you can adjust in this node. I will adjust my primaries. It's too much over here, so it's done. Now let's go to the second node, and in the second node we come here to the masks. If you don't see the masks, it's this icon, and you have to select if you want a circular one or a rectangle or a square one. In my case, I prefer the circular, so I'm going to add a circular mask. And the first thing I do is come here when I come to the soft one in the softness, and I put it at 0 because I don't want my border to be soft. I want it to be straight without any softness. So this is the first thing. Then I will place, and I will increase the size of this to the size that I want. Then I will go to the video and see if in any place my head is cutted. But as you can see, it's okay. So it's done. Now you have to connect the alpha channel, the blue square, to this blue triangle. And now you have to add an alpha channel to your video. So come right click and add alpha output and connect again the alpha channel output to here, and the magic happens in here. As you can see, immediately you see that you are in front of the other video. So let's come to the edit page, and now with your video selected, resize it and put it wherever you want. In my case, I want to put it over here in this corner, and it's done. But in my case, I use a frame, and I use this one, the simple circle that I made in Fusion, and adjust it to the size that you want. And now just have to adjust and put it over resize it something like this, and I think it's okay. So as you can see, it's easy, and give it a little bit more pop, so you notice that this is not from this one. And now if you play it, you can notice that I'm talking while I'm explaining how I do this. So as you could see, it's very easy of doing this, and in my opinion, it gives a little bit more to your videos, and it increases the engagement between you and your audience, because your audience is seeing you explaining something in the screen, and in my opinion is a little bit better. So I hope this information was helpful, and I hope you learned something today. And if yes, don't forget, hit that like button, that helps a lot. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and hit that notification bell to be notified next time I launch a video. Until there, bye!